Hi guys, this is Katie and today we are heading to the United Center for our first ever Chicago Bulls game. Made it to United Center and of course going straight into the merch store. Right, so because it's Callum's birthday today, we've got tickets in like the 119 section, so it's like the lower part. So we have come to like a little like restaurant thing that's in the United Center. We picked up, I've got myself a seltzer, which is very exciting. So in the UK we just have beer in a lot of like stadiums and like event places. And Callum has got an Goose Island beer. And then we also picked up a sandwich, and it's like a full-on proper sandwich. So if you are from the UK, you know what I mean by stadium food. So when we go to Chelsea, we get like this rubbish little hot dog that's awful. This is like proper food. I'm excited. Also, a side tip, because I learned it last time we went to an event in Detroit, get a small handbag. So last time I had a handbag that was only slightly bigger than this, and they wouldn't allow me to have it in, like can't bring it in. And they used to have it so it could be see-through, but sometimes they're a bit funny with it. Anyway, so I've got a really small handbag, and I'm glad that I did, because a load of women were told they had to go and put their like bags in like a bag drop thing, which is like in a certain section. So yeah, make sure you get a small handbag if you are coming to events in the US. Right, so we're in section 119, row 8, 1 and 2, and they're like little twos, so we've got plenty of room next to me, and we've got the aisles. We're very excited, and we've got a great view. Oh my god, I'm so excited, guys. Okay, but I'm gonna be cool now. Second half, we're down 52 to 35. We're going into the last quarter, I don't know if you can hear me, going into the last quarter, and we're catching up, so it's 73-64 to Orlando Magic, but we're catching up. We're on timeout. We have 56 seconds left. 92 to 86. I don't know if it's gonna happen. I don't know if it's gonna happen, guys. But it's so good. Love it. Definitely coming back for the Chicago Bulls game. Guys, 7 seconds left. 94, 94. We have drawn. Oh my goodness, this is the most exciting thing I've ever done in my life. Oh my god. Well, that was an awesome game. We did lose, like, so close. It was like literally the last few seconds of the game, but amazing. I'm definitely going to be heading to the Chicago Bulls game again. I love basketball, I've decided, but it was so good. Highly recommend it. Yeah, great time. Bought too much merchandise, obviously, because that's what we do. And yeah, so I think we were just saying, yeah, we're going to head off. Thank you. I think we were just saying that we might do ice hockey next as well to check that out. But thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you next time in Chicago. Bye guys.